Welcome to our tutorial on EZPOG color rules. One of the most powerful visuals for making changes to a planogram is color. When I have my images turned off, you will see that all these product boxes are blue, but I have the ability to quickly highlight the boxes in order to make important decisions using any data that I have loaded into EZPOG. Let me show you how this works and show you a quick example. You can access this feature by clicking on the Tools drop-down menu and selecting Color Rules. This will open the Color Rules window. I'll click Add Rule to begin and start by selecting Add New Rule at the top. The first step is to select criteria. This can be attribute data, such as brand, or performance data, such as days of supply. You can even show bottom and top selling items if you have the appropriate data available. Once I've selected my criteria, I move on to Operator. We have operators for both text-based and numerical data. The final option, the dynamic operator, will color every unique criteria a different color. For example, a dynamic brand color rule will color each brand on the planogram a specific color. For all the other operators, you will then select a criteria, either numerical or text-based, and then select a color value for that criteria. You'd then save and be able to use your rule at any time. I've prepared a simple days of supply rule to show you as an example. I already have my labels on the planogram set up to days of supply, and the images are turned off. When I open this rule, you can see the criteria that's been selected. In this case, the days of supply greater than 7 will be turning white, and less than 7 will be turning red. Because I'm using performance data, I'll make sure that I have the correct performance table selected and then click Run Selected Rule. Now you can see that all of these product boxes have changed color based on the calculated days of supply. I can now easily identify changes that can be made. With color rules, I can very quickly and very simply make planogram decisions and show them in a compelling way. Thank you for watching our video. Please visit ezpog.com for more information or email us at info@ezpog.com.